So I want you guys to check out the freshly built SR20 swap 240. Just kidding. But yeah, today, Mr. Zupa over here, otherwise known as Jerry, is going to be wiring a single cam KA24DE.
No, it's not DE.
Yeah, it is. No. That's true. That is true.
DE.
KA24E
Yes.
mass airflow. But he's going to be rewiring it to be the mass airflow for the SR.
Fuck!
So what you see here is the mass airflow sensor right here, and then he got an adapter plate from your local auto parts store. We got ours from O'Reilly.
Yeah, and you gotta fix it because the holes don't line up when it says 240SX on it. So that's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Actually, to be honest, I think it had the year for
it had
the.
my year on it.
It did?
Yeah.
Yours is a 90, right?
Yeah.
I thought it said 91.
It said 89 through 92.
Oh.
93. So I was like, yeah, it's definitely gonna fit, especially because I have the fucking single hand, the single mass airflow. Single cam mass airflow.
All right, but yeah, that's where we got the adapter from. All right, so we got our mass airflow sensor right here, mounted to the stock like intake boot for the turbo, and basically, I don't know how the wires go. He does, so. If you wouldn't mind explaining.
We see, you get on YouTube, just kidding, you get on Google, and you find this website, FRS Sport.
FRsport.com.
Yeah. And it shows you which one is which. If you look at the mass airflow, it has A, B, and C, and it lines up corresponding with the loadout, A, B, and C, and new mass airflow. Where's my old one at? That's it. That's the SR mass airflow. And you just match the colors up. Not me, because I extended it. You guys probably had to do the same. I ran mine across, over, under, and basically these wires are going to line up to that. I memorized where they were. So keep that in mind as you're.
So are you using this or no? So you're hooking this up.
That's the KA one.
So he's going from the stock SR to the single cam KA.
And the same principle basically applies for the Z32, but I always said there's a lot more shit.
Yeah.
So
yeah, FR Sport has the diagrams or.
It shows everything for the SR
yeah.
swap. But that's where I went to, and hopefully you're gonna trust it.
See how it works.
Yep. So I'm gonna do all this. Prepping it for soldering. Probably should have put it on there before I stripped the wires. Been easier. So we got black and white striped, 12 volt.
So black and white striped, it's 12 volt.
That's the single. I had mine twisted together. Which one were they? It wasn't those two. Was it? Yeah. No.
I don't know. You had them memorized.
You had me confused.
Oh man.
No, there's green one's by itself. These two are together.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it goes. This green one was this the stock one?
Yeah,
green
stock.
one was this one. Because I left it on. I just basically copied the SRs and twisted the other two. And what I did was I got a one with a black stripe to match the black, and this one doesn't have a black on it, so I made it white basically. That way I can remember which one's which. So. I entered the wrong one. Fucking loads. Okay. So I need to go, this is the black stripe, it goes to A terminal. A is this white one, I think. Fuck, I wasn't ready.
You're just gonna take the whole boot off?
Yeah. Sure, to make it for my fucking phone doesn't black screen.
Yeah, I hate that crap.
See that? I would have been fucking wrong. There we go.
So A is black and white.
Yeah, black and white too. Black and white basically. Yeah. A terminal is black and white, goes to this one. It's not really soldering shit, don't judge me. And tray for solder. B is the second one over, and it goes to black, of course. Put that one on. Shoot you in your face. Bam.
There you are.
Solder it and heat shrink it.
Plug it in, start your SR up,
That's what I'm talking about.
and then do some crazy shit.
Get sideways.
Yeah. Do some mad skids like Mighty Car Mod says. Yep.
Roughly.
Yep.